Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be simplifying a radical. I have the radical square root of 28 p to the third power. With our simplifying radicals, we're going to always make a factor tree. We're going to make a tree of any of the prime numbers for our number, and then I'll show you how to break down the variable. So with 28, think of any two numbers that multiply to 28. I went with 4 and 7. 7's a prime number, so I need to break down the 4 to 2 and 2. Then we're going to look at the variable. P to the third is the same as P times P, so P 3 times. With our factor tree and our variables, we're going to look for partners in crime. So you always need a buddy to escape our radical jail. So here we have a pair of 2's, and I also have a pair of the variable P. Those are going to go escape up out of our radical jail, and they're going to go out front. So we have 2 times P. And then left over inside of our radical is going to be anyone without a partner. So no partners. They unfortunately get to stay in our radical jail because they didn't have a buddy to escape with. So in our case, we're going to look at what is left over on our factor tree and then our breakdown of the variables. We have a 7 and a p. Those are going to get multiplied and stay inside of the radicals. 7 times p. All right, we don't have anything else to multiply, so we really just have 2p times the square root of 7p, and that is your answer. So simplifying radicals, we're not changing the value of anything, we're just changing what it looks like. In previous videos, we've checked how to check our answers with just numbers. So you can still check everything here with a number in your calculator. You just won't be able to double check your variables with the exponents. So we're going to look at just the square root of 28, plug that into our scientific calculator, and we get the decimal of 5.29 and some change. And then we're going to look at just the numbers again of our simplified answer, 2 times the square root of 7, and we should get that same decimal, which we do. And that's an easy way to check that for at least the numbers that you did those correctly. So we're just changing our value.
And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.